Hello. Oh my gosh. Good afternoon. It has been such a long time since I did a YouTube video. I've been on hiatus, but now I'm back. I feel like a newbie all over again. But I just wanted to show you guys something that I've recently discovered. A lot of my other sister consultant and consultant friends and team members have been doing this, and this is the first time that I've actually tried it, and I have to say I love it. Um, when we're doing our Facebook Lives and with paparazzi jewelry, there's sometimes like a lot of fine detailing that when you do a live, you can't necessarily see it because when we go to put it up to the camera, it kind of distorts it, or sometimes the lighting washes it away, so you can't really get the full effect. So they were using what's called this macro lens for their cameras or for their phones. And I said, you know what? Let me get one. So I asked around and saw what everyone else was getting and where they were getting it. And I said, well, let me find something on my own, using the information that they gave me. So I ended up going to Amazon. And of course, there were like a gazillion of them on Amazon. I said, I don't need anything like super big. They had like telephoto lenses. I'm like, I don't need something that sticks out a foot from my cell phone when I'm doing the live. So I found this company called Amir, Amir. By the way, I am not like a paid reviewer or anything. If you've seen some of my things in the past where I talked about a product, it's because I enjoy the product. I'm not getting any kind of kickbacks or anything from them. But this company, it's Amir. I don't know if this is going to show up backwards or what. Amir. But I got it on Amazon and I checked a few reviews, and a lot of people like off of Amazon. I did some reviews, and a lot of people liked it. And I was like, "Oh, it's only $12. I think it was like 12.88, maybe. I don't know." But I got it. It came with three lenses. It came with a fisheye lens, a wide lens, and a macro lens. And that's why I got it. It was for the macro lens. If you've ever done a live, like I said, with Facebook and paparazzi jewelry, it's kind of hard to see the fine detailing. But with this macro lens, it zooms in super, super, super close so that you can see all the fine detailing. Let me show you. It's different on here because I'm going to use one of our Starlight Shimmer rings. Yes, you can see the detailing because I'm doing a video, but on a live, if you've ever done a live, you know what I'm talking about. It's just hard to see it. But let me show you, if you use a macro lens, what it's going to do. Hold on. When you get it, it actually comes with the fisheye lens screwed into the macro. The macro is already on here. It's going to be very blurry at first. So you can see I'm all blurry. I'm all blurry. But watch me put this ring up to the macro lens. Isn't that amazing? Like, you have to put it practically right on top of it. But you can see every fine detail. The little purple stone, the white pearl, the little flower, and the other little powder blue gemstone. Everything is right there, zoomed up. You can see every fine detail of this little ring, and it's amazing. I love it. So if you guys that are doing lives with your paparazzi jewelry, or with anything, and you want to, not necessarily paparazzi, but you want an up close, like super super close. And when I say super close, like, you practically have to put your ring or whatever it is almost right on top of the lens. Everything else will be blurry, but that will be super close. You can see everything. It is amazing, and I'm glad I only paid like $12 for it on Amazon. You guys are gonna love it, and if you don't already, my paparazzi sisters, if you don't already have a macro lens, then I think you should definitely go out and get yourself one, and just clip it right to the top of your. I don't have my phone, but clip it right to the top of your phone over the camera lens part of your phone, and it will make a big difference when you're trying to show the detailing of the jewelry. So that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys what I just recently got, but some of my other sister consultants have been using for months. So thanks again for tuning in. If you want to share this to your teammates or team members, that's certainly fine. If you want to subscribe, that's always great. And I love thumbs up. So if you enjoyed what you just saw and you think it's going to benefit you, then give me some thumbs up. Thanks again. I'll try not to be a stranger. I'll come out with something new here soon. Thanks again for watching. I love you guys. Have a great afternoon. Bye.